Hello student, welcome back to my Dreams Academy. Guys, today in this video I will explain viral and bacterial disease. Right now it's a very important topic is there guys, one question fix right now. So guys, first we'll discuss about the bacterial disease and then we'll discuss about the viral disease, right? So disease and caused by bacteria, disease and caused by virus. Okay, first disease guys, that is called the gastric ulcer, right? Guys, gastric ulcer caused by bacteria and the name of bacteria is called Helicobacter. Right now name of the bacteria is what? That is called the Helicobacter pylori. First disease. Second is known as what guys? Syphilis 2018 NEET question guys. Syphilis caused by Treponema pallidum, right? Now third bacterial disease guys, plague caused by Yersinia pestis, right? Next bacterial disease guys, tuberculosis caused by what guys? Caused by Mycobacterium, right now. So Mycobacterium causes two disease guys. Listen guys, Mycobacterium tuberculosis causes what guys? TB, tuberculosis. And second is what guys? Leprosy caused by Mycobacterium leprosy caused by Mycobacterium leprae and tuberculosis caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, right? Now guys, cholera caused by Vibrio cholerae will be there, right? Now tetanus guys, tetanus caused by Clostridium tetani bacteria. Guys, pneumonia caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae, right? Guys, gonorrhea caused by Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Caused by Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Guys, diphtheria caused by Corynebacterium. So this is about what guys? About of the bacterial disease. Guys, out of this bacterial disease, 2 to 3 bacterial disease not given in NCERT page right now, but already asked question guys, 2017, 2018 guys, which guys disease? Now listen here. Guys, first important about the what guys? Syphilis 2017 and 2018 I am talking about guys, right? Syphilis caused by guys Treponema. Clear? Second what guys? Second about the what? Gonorrhea. When you will check previous year paper, you will find out guys. Gonorrhea caused by Neisseria gonorrhoeae, same year guys, 17-18. Clear? Guys, about the what? Diphtheria caused by what guys? Corynebacterium. Guys, about the what guys? Plague caused by Yersinia pestis. Is that clear or not guys? So it's an important bacterial disease guys. So this important bacterial disease, first is what? Syphilis, plague, gonorrhea and diphtheria. Clear? Got it? Okay. Now let's discuss about the viral disease. Guys, viral disease, first what given your NCERT about the what guys? Common cold. So common cold caused by virus known as a rhinovirus guys. Next will be what guys? Influenza caused by virus known as the influenza virus is there. Now HIV means about of the AIDS. So everyone know HIV is virus guys, right now? Yes, correct. So particularly name of HIV virus is called the lentivirus, right? So AIDS caused by what guys? AIDS caused by the lentivirus. Is that clear guys? Okay. Now next about the what guys? Smallpox and chickenpox. This is about of the pox disease right now. So guys, smallpox caused by variola virus and chickenpox caused by varicella virus. Guys, out of these two, smallpox completely eradicated. Is that clear or not guys? And who developed the vaccine guys? Just remember the scientist, that is called the Edward Jenner. Scientist name was what guys? Edward Jenner. Clear? Edward Jenner is also known as a what? Father of immunology. Clear? Next guys, yellow fever caused by orthomyxovirus. Next is guys, meningitis caused by enterovirus and mumps caused by what guys? Paramyxovirus guys. Clear? And also you can say one more disease, that is called Ebola caused by what guys? Ebola virus. Is that clear guys? Two more about of that viral disease, that is about of the genital herpes and genital warts. So question they will ask, in which of the following viral disease are curable? right? So which case curable? Option suppose that given about of the genital warts given, genital herpes given, hepatitis B given, as well as what, AIDS given. Is that clear? So what you will choose the option, guys? You will choose genital herpes. Genital herpes is what, guys? Curable, right? If early detection occur, it will be curable. But hepatitis B, about what, guys? AIDS, right? Genital warts, non-curable. Is that clear, guys? So this is about what, guys? Somewhat bacterial and viral disease. Those are important. In next video, guys, I will explain about some protozoans disease, as well as what, guys? Some fungal disease will be there. Is that clear, guys? So we will meet in next video. Thank you.